So this isn't my typical type of video, but I was fascinated by this spider web, and I thought others might be as well. It is like a tunnel that traps things, as you can tell, and it's more fascinating than the video is showing. It actually looks more like a funnel that traps the spider's food. I don't love spiders, but this one is not getting cleaned up. This one is not getting kicked out. He's kind of fascinating and cool to watch. Anyway, I thought you might find that interesting, and hopefully it made you smile a little bit. Nature is fascinating. That's it. Have a great week. Thanks for watching.